Pakistani constitution by the parliament under Article 70, federal or provincial, by the governor under the Article 89 in the province, or by the president under Article 89. This is the unique feature of the Pakistani constitution, is that Supreme Court 30 years judgment was relied by everyone. Then the amendment came. Now every youngster sitting in the room today can proudly say and go back home and say, I am a proud Pakistani today because my constitution gives me a fundamental right to a clean, healthy and sustainable environment like the entire 194 states in the world. This is something new for me. Second, first country in the planet heading that Pakistani courts came out in the Asghar Gari case, the first climate change case by Justice Masood Shah. That was the first case picked up by the world, and the second time we brought a case of climate mitigation and climate adaptation, the judgment which I delivered on Sheikh Asim Farooq, which Nasir was mentioning that they are planting 1 million trees. That judgment directed the government to plant trees. The tsunami billion tree was all the part of that. We brought the new concept in Pakistan, peri-urban forest policy. You should not plant trees in the jungle or land, you should have trees in these cities. The peri-urban policy was the time frame which came out. Now every city, every society has to follow that policy to bring that into the Pakistan legal system. That is the way we can control climate issue, because climate, what the issue of planet you are all talking about is not new now. It's almost 120 years old. 120 years old you called the word nuisance. Then 100 years ago you called the word negligence. Then 80 years ago the same word we thought we were using the word trespass. Then 60 years ago we heard use environment. 40 years ago you called the word environmental protection. 30 years ago, you called the word environmental management. It's international pressure coming to you for not going to goods out of Pakistan. Then 20 years ago, the word changed, climate justice. Then climate finance is the same word. This word is what is around we have to talk about. The courts have played a very key role in protecting the environment. The government is now putting up, courts are pushing the government. There are more than 25 Supreme Court judgments in the last 2-3 years. There are lots of judgments by courts. Every judge is proactive now because we have to protect the environment, because as what we say in that, and the Republic Trust Doctrine, we are the trustee of God on this universe. We have to protect this for the future generation, and my future generation sitting in front of me. This is what